Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on Midjourney t-shirt design, from print-on-demand pro to printed perfection. Step 1. Understanding print-on-demand. Print-on-demand is a popular way for designers and entrepreneurs to sell custom merchandise without holding inventory. With print-on-demand, you can create unique designs, upload them to an online platform, and sell them to customers without having to worry about printing, packaging, or shipping. To get started with print on demand, you'll need to find a reliable platform such as Printful, Teespring, or Printify. Once you've chosen your platform, you can begin designing t-shirts using their provided design tools or by using graphic design software such as Adobe Premiere or Canva. Section 2. Designing your t-shirt. When designing your t-shirt, it is important to consider the target audience, the message you want to convey, and the style of the shirt. Use high quality graphics and images to ensure that your design stands out and looks professional. Consider the placement of your design on the shirt, such as front, back, or sleeve. Choose the color of your shirt carefully, as it can greatly affect the overall look of your design. Finally, make sure your design meets the platform's printing guidelines to ensure that it can be printed correctly. Step 3. Preparing your design for printing. Before printing your t-shirt, you'll need to prepare your design for printing. This includes ensuring that it's in the correct file format and that it meets the platform's resolution and color requirements. If you're using graphic design software, be sure to export your design in the correct file formats, such as PNG or JPEG. Preview your design on a mock-up of the t-shirt to ensure that it looks exactly as you intended to. Once you're happy with your design, upload it to the print-on-demand platform and choose the t-shirt style, color, and size that you want to print it on. Section 4. Print your t-shirt. After uploading your design to the print-on-demand platform, it's time to print your t-shirt. The platform will take care of the printing, packaging, and shipping process, so you don't have to worry about any of that. Some platforms offer different printing methods, such as screen printing or direct-to-garment printing. Be sure to choose the one that best suits your design and budget. Once your t-shirt is printed, it will be shipped directly to your customer. Section 5. Ensuring quality. Quality is crucial when it comes to print-on-demand t-shirts. Make sure to order a sample of your design before making it available for sale. Ensure that it looks exactly as you intended it to be. Check the print quality, color accuracy, and fabric quality to ensure that your customers receive a high-quality product. If you notice any issues with your sample, adjust your design or printing settings accordingly and order another sample until you're happy with the result. And that's it. That's how you go from print on demand pro to print perfection with mid-journey t-shirt design. Remember to consider your target audience, design a high-quality t-shirt, prepare your design for printing, choose the, rin- choose the right printing method, and ensure quality every step of the way. With print on demand, you can create and sell custom t-shirts without the hassle of holding inventory. Make it an ideal option for entrepreneurs and designers alike. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, Feel free to leave them on in the comment section below. Until next time.